Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are good health. Welcome to second session. So, in this session, I am explaining about geography chapter 1 resources. So, you already learned about resources. You know what is resource. So, once again, some revision I am taking. So, resource. What is resource? Resource is anything that can be used to satisfy a need is a resource. Okay, so this is a resource. Some I given examples also. Water, electricity, rickshaw, vegetable, and textbook. So these have a something in common resources. They have all been used by you. They have these all resources used by you. So it is called that utility. Utility or usability. Why we calling that usability? So it is used by you only, know that. So it is called that usability. Okay. So next I am explaining about value. What is value? Value means worth. Value means what? Worth. Some resources have economic value. Some do not have economic value. For example, metals may have an economic value. A beautiful landscape may not have economic value, but both are important and satisfy human needs. One example is there here. In your home, your grandmother prepares home remedies. So, these home remedies have no commercial value today, but if they are patented and sold by a medical firm tomorrow, so they could become an economic value. Okay, so this is some revision of first session. So today's session number 2. So I will explaining about the two important factors. The two important factors are there here: time and technology. So why these factors are important? See here. So these factors change the substances into resources. Why these are important? So these factors are important because change substances into resources. See here. Both are related to the needs of the people. People themselves also very important resource. Why peoples are important resource? Why? Because so people's ideas, knowledge, inventions and discoveries and creation of these are the creation of more resources, and each discovery or each invention leads to many others. So you know that discovery of fire. So discovery of fire, this is like to the practice of cooking and so many purpose. So another one example is there here, invention of wheel. So it is changes, we are seeing the changes in modes of transport. Okay, and see here the technology. The technology has turned energy, it is a turn energy. How it is turn energy? So when the water is flowing very fast, okay, here created the hydroelectricity. So these are two important factors. Okay, so time and technology. So next concept, next topic, so I will discuss with you types of resources. There are three types of resources. First one, natural resources. Second one, human made resources. Third one, human resources. See students, so these all resources I am explaining one by one. So what are natural resources? You know that natural means what? Okay, so natural means in our surrounding. You see means otherwise you look around you. Okay, what you are seeing there? So many things you are seeing there. Okay, so what are they? Plants, animals, okay, and some sky, water, okay, and soil, stone. So these all things we are seeing. So these are natural. But some few things also we are seeing, some homes, vehicles, okay. So these are not natural, but we are using that natural resource, okay. See here, some natural resources are there here: sun, plants, animals, water, soil, wind, air. So these all are natural resources, okay. And see here, natural resources can be divided into two categories. Natural resources can be divided into two categories. So one is renewable resources, second one is non-renewable resources. You know that what are the natural resources? Natural resources are sun, wind, plants, animals, water, soil, wind and air. So these are the natural resources. These natural resources divided into two categories. So these are renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Okay, see here. So one by one I am explaining. So first one, renewable resource. See, renewable resource means what here? So you know that natural resource, some in natural resource divided into two categories, that is a renewable resource and another one is non-renewable resource. Renewable resources are those which get renewed. So these all we get that renewed or replenished quickly. Some renewable resources are there here. See here students, sun, plants, animals, soil, wind and air. Okay, so these are natural resource. Okay, so these are the renewable. So these are the renewed. We get, means these get renewed or replenished quickly. And some of these are unlimited and are not affected by human activities. By example are there here some sun, wind energy, means solar energy and wind energy. Okay, and see here some renewable resources, some like water, soil, forest can affect their stock. Okay, see here what that water, soil and forest, these are their stock. And water seems to be an unlimited renewable resource. Water is a unrenewable resource, means it is the unlimited renewable resource. But shortage and drying up of natural water sources is a major problem in many parts of the world today. Some few parts of world today they are facing the lot of water problem. So these are the renewable resource. Next content, non-renewable resources. So what is non-renewable? First I am explain what is non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources are those which have a limited stock. These have a limited stock. So once the stocks are exhausted, it may take thousands of years to be renewed or replenished. Okay, some examples are there here. We are seeing here metals, coal, petrol and natural gas. Okay, so these all have the limited stock. So once this stock finished, means this stock exhausted, so again these are renewing. So it has taken the time thousands of years. Okay, and since this period is a much more than human lifespans, such resources they here, that is you know that metals, coal, petrol and natural gas, these are the some examples of non-renewable resources. So next content, human made resources. So what is human made resources? Again, what are the human made resources? Sometimes natural substances become resources. Sometimes natural substances become resources only when their original form has been changed. See here, iron ore was not a resource until the people learned to extract the iron from it. People use natural resources to making buildings, bridges, roads, machinery and vehicles, which are known as human made resources. So some technology is also human made resources. Some example is there here, some human made, otherwise also calling that man made resources. See here, some pot maker is there here. Okay, some natural resources are the how it can change in man made resources. Here rock, see here rock is a natural resource. So this natural resource it changes in hand mill, means man is made by this thing, man means hand mill. It is made from stone, but stone is natural resource. Okay, so man is using natural resource only. When he needs some things, he was using, otherwise he is using some natural resource only. See here an example. First example is there here rock. You are seeing here first picture rock. It is a rock is a natural resource. Okay. Afterwards in second picture we are seeing here hand mill. So hand mill it is made from stone. Okay. So who made this? Man only made this. It is the man made resource. Okay. And second example see here. It is the first picture see here clay. Clay is a natural resource. Okay. Afterwards, man is made by using by this clay, and afterwards he made pots, vessels. Okay. And next third picture also see here. First one is here clay. So second picture man made things are there. Okay. So clay is a natural resource, and some we are seeing here in second picture here. Some flower pots, okay, earthen pots, vessels. It is made up of clay. It is a man-made resource. And next here, in this picture, in first picture we are seeing here cotton. Cotton is a natural resource. After we get cotton, that cloths are making the man here. So some we are seeing here cloth. Clothes are made from that cotton. Okay, cotton cloths. And next picture see here students. In first picture we are seeing here fruits. Fruits we get from naturally, we get from plants. Afterwards man is made from some juice, jams. Okay, here fruits are the natural resources and jam and juice here man made things. Okay, it is a human made. Jam and juice made from fruits. And in this picture see here students iron mineral. Iron mineral it is made from machines. See here in second picture I am seeing that machine is there. This machine is made from iron mineral. Iron mineral is a natural resource and machine is a man made. And next we are seeing a river. You know that water, river. Okay, river is a natural resource. Afterwards man here built the dams, otherwise bridges, otherwise he built the dams on the river. Okay, and see here next picture wood. Wood is a natural resource. This wood we get from plants, trees. Okay, afterwards man uses here some made from wood only, these all things, desk, table. Okay, so we are using doors, windows. Okay, so it is the furniture, we calling this furniture. Furniture is the man made things, but here man is used by natural thing, that is a wood. Next see here grass. Grass it is made from roof of the hut. It is a roof of the hut. In second picture you see here we are seeing here hut. Its roof is grass. Man is using for grass, but grass is, it is a natural resource. Grass is natural resource, and here roof of the hut is, what is that? Man-made resource. And next picture, rubber. We get from rubber that it is a natural resource. After man is using that, some man made so many things here. We are seeing here in this picture, tire of the motor vehicle. Tire of the motor vehicle. This tire is made from rubber. Here rubber is what we get from naturally. Next picture, milk. See, milk. Milk is we get from cows. Okay, it is a natural resource, and afterwards this milk is man is used for ice creams and butter. Okay, so these are the natural resource and man-made resources. Okay, man is using by natural resources. So next I will discuss with you human resources. So what is human resource? Human resource, it refers to the number, otherwise quantity, and abilities. It is the ability means what? Mental ability and physical ability of the people. It is there are differing views regarding to the treatment of humans as a resource. Okay, so one cannot deny fact that is the skills of the human that help in the transferring the physical materials into valuable resources. See here, people can make the best use of nature to create more resources. We know that already. Okay, in time and technology, we have learned now only that people are the important resource. Okay, so when they are using, people are using their knowledge, skill, okay, and technology, and afterwards he create the sources, resources. And he see here, people are human resources. People are human resources. In this picture, some peoples are there here, some teachers are there here. So education and health help in making a valuable resource. So education and health, it is making the valuable resource. See here, improving the quality of people skills so that they are able to create more resources. Okay, it is known as human resource development. Some human resource development, how it is developed that? In education and health. Health help in the making the people valuable resources. See here, peoples are there here. So today we have completed here session 2. So today you learned some things that in today's class. So what you have learned in today's class, see here, in this session you have learned about so many things. Okay, so what are you learned? Once again I repeating, these all contains. So today you learnt in today's session, session 2, two important factors, time and technology, and also types of resources. There are 3 types of resources: natural resources, human made resources, and human resources. And also you have learnt in today's class natural resources. Natural resources are sun, plants, animals, water, soil, wind, air. So natural resources are dividing in 2 categories, that are renewable resources, other is non-renewable resources. So these all are renewable resources: sun, plants, animals, soil, wind, air. Non-renewable resources, you know that metals, coal, petrol, natural gas. Human made resources, these all have human made. Human is using natural resources only, afterwards he made the human made resources, some things. Okay, these all things made by human, he using the natural resources. Also here you have learnt in today's class human resources. So in peoples are very important resource in the human resource. Okay. So here student, you have completed session 2. So I hope you all are better understood in today's class. So I given homework here. So you read time and technology. First you make the points, these all, and afterwards you read. Okay. So here finishing today's session 2. Tomorrow again I am continuing session 3. Thank you.